guys? Welcome back in today. So today we're at Renise Market Lakay, if I'm pronouncing it right. It's a Haitian market. So I just found it, to be honest with you, the other day, and I was like, you know what, let's go check it out. So I'm gonna go in here and check out and see what they have. You know I love Haitian people, you know what I'm saying? So let's go in here and see what they got. Hey brothers, how you doing? Good, 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 good. Oh, they got a lot of oh, they have the pitch and pea. Okay. Then they have the you see that? Yeah, I wanted to, because I never actually seen a Haitian market in Columbus. And so it's so dope. It's so dope. So this is the first Haitian market?
Yes.
That's what's up. Because I did a review on the Coco's Haitian restaurant.
Yes.
So yeah, guys, they have like a lot of different like Haitian things. Of course, I'm not Haitian, so I really don't know exactly what all these are, but I've had Haitian food, and I'm telling you, like, it's amazing. Actually, especially with the black mushroom rice is amazing. The flattened plantains, oh my God, so good. I'm getting hungry thinking about it right now. And they also have like the black beans as well. I wish I knew more of the name of the dishes, but and of course you have like different rices too. I don't know exactly what this is for. You guys could probably tell me, but this looks like candles, so this might be for different religions that are in Haiti that people might use these for, or they just might burn them in general. You guys can let me know. But yeah, let's go to the frozen food. Sorry, excuse me. And then you have like the fish. So if you guys are interested in fish, they have different type of fish. I wonder, you know, I had barracuda one time, a long time ago, but I don't think that they actually cook it. Maybe that's only in other Caribbean countries. What else do we have right here? We have like cornmeal, baked cornmeal. Then there's some. Do you know what these are? These are those pumpkins? Jum?
Yes. Joum.
Oh, joum.
Yes.
And so what is joum? Is it like a?
It's a fruit.
Is it a fruit or a vegetable?
A vegetable.
Oh, a vegetable.
It
Gotcha.
is.
Gotcha. Okay.
It's very good.
Straight from Haiti, right?
Yes.
Wow, that's interesting. Do you eat it a lot?
Right?
Do you eat it? Do you eat this a lot?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's very.
Got you. Okay.
We have a bee, Haitian bee here. So
Oh, you do? Where is it?
I'm going to show you.
Okay. Hi, how you doing?
This is Haitian bee.
Oh yeah. I never had Haitian beer before. Is it good?
Is it good? You can test one.
How much is it for the 6 bottles?
$12.
Okay, I'm a
This
second.
dollar.
Oh, I'm sorry.
For 6.
For 6? Okay.
Yes. If you want, you can prove your honor.
Yeah, if I could, please, yeah. I appreciate that. I would like to try it. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate
You're
it.
welcome.
And this is called Prestige?
Prestige.
Prestige, okay.
It's very good.
Cool. Straight from Haiti.
Yes.
This is the first time I ever had Haitian beer for it. This is crazy. Thank you, brother. I appreciate
You're
it.
welcome.
Very good. Very good. It sort of reminds me of like a Red Stripe a little bit, like
Yes.
Jamaican beer.
Yes.
Word. That's cool. Thank you so much, brother. I
You're
appreciate that.
welcome.
This is really dope. So is this
There's
the?
a lot of products from Haiti here.
Yeah. I see.
There's a lot of. There's Robusto,
So
Ragaman.
Ragaman is like it's energy drink.
Energy drink. It is.
Let me see. Let me open this
You
real
can
fast.
open it.
And so you said Ragaman is like an energy drink. So is that something that you would just?
Robusto too. It's like the same. We have Toro. Toro it is.
Oh,
One
Toro
second,
too.
like those. Let me put the light.
Oh, okay. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Me, I love Toro.
Toro, is it?
It's very good.
If you like it to that, I'll probably like that. Thank you so much. So Toro is
Energy drinks.
so these are all just energy drinks.
Yes.
Got you. Okay. I like this though. The prestige.
Me too.
I like that. I'm gonna need one of those. Thank you so much, brother. I appreciate it. So this right here, the Malta, that's like a drink, right? Like
Like a drink, but it's like how can I say? It's something to drink, but it's not energy.
But it's
Like
like
Malta.
with your meal, right? You eat it like with like
Yeah,
rice.
you can. It is. You can drink it like with milk.
Because I think I had one when I was at the Haitian restaurant at Tico.
It's very good.
Huh. And then, so this is also a Malta too as well.
Yeah, but this one is better.
You like this one better?
No,
Oh,
it's
right.
better.
I see. Okay.
This also is another thing.
See, this is the one that I think I know the most. Montegoya. So this is Haitian too?
No,
Oh, this is just another Malta. Got you. Okay.
the Asian one is that has a each.
I see. Okay. So guys, they also have a lot of like, let's see actually what this is right here real fast. I think it says John. So you guys know that like Haiti is the first black free republic in the Americas, and there's a lot of obviously like French influence inside of Haiti because of obviously Haitians kicking the French out, and when the French colonized the island, and if I'm correct, the English and the Spanish colonized the island as well too. So you have both sides of the island. You have the Dominican Republic and you have Haiti, which at one point was all one, and then Haiti at some point took it over when they had their king, and then the Spanish came back and took it over, and then obviously there was the Revolutionary War against the French, that Haiti became free, which is an amazing thing. And yeah, so they have like a lot more of like Maltas and drinks too.
Haitian parties. Sometimes they do herrings, beef.
Oh, they have the Haitian patties.
Yeah, Haitian parties.
Oh, okay. Are Haitian patties, are they only meat? Do you have any like vegetable?
I have beef, I have herrings, I
Mm.
have fish, yeah, all of them. I don't know what's your name.
Did the Haitian people make veggie ones, like with just vegetable? Because I'm vegan, I don't eat meat. But do they have ones that are just vegetable or just all meat?
Yeah,
Like,
they always give me the vegetable, but now I don't have the vegetable.
oh, okay.
The price for box?
Yes.
Only the boxes, it's got 12.
Okay.
Inside we have 6.
Oh, 6 of them. Okay. And do you have them every day? Okay. Okay.
Very glad to see you. Maybe when you have time, you're supposed to give me another visit. That's your house, right?
I appreciate it. And guys, definitely come and check out this Haitian market, because this is the first #1 Haitian market in Columbus, right?
Exactly. Somebody tell me it's the first Haitian market.
Yeah. I never seen a Haitian market.
Never.
There's like Somali markets, Ethiopian, but never
African
Haitian.
market.
Yeah. African American
about-
markets.
Yeah, about the Asian is my first.
Yeah.
Her name is Renise Market Lakay.
Like I said, there's some things that are in here that are culturally Haitian that I don't really know exactly like how to use them or how you would cook anything. But I'm pretty sure my Haitian people is going to chime in and let me know what you would use some of these things with. And they're so nice, you know, like I'm actually like walking around the store with the beer right now, Haitian beer. I never had it before, and it's so delicious. Look guys, they even have the cassava bread too. It's so dope. Actually, I don't even think I ever had cassava bread, to be honest with you. And then what is it? Is this more cassava bread? Oh, sorry. Yeah, it is, I think. Yeah. Huh. Maybe just in a different shape. Interesting.
Yes, I know.
Oh, you do know about
Yeah.
this? Oh, so, like, this is, do you know the name of this?
Yeah, in Creole we call it te, but
Te.
it's like a clay. It's a type of clay, but people eat it.
Yeah, that's what I heard, because I watched Ace Live, you know, he's a Haitian YouTuber. And when he went back to Haiti, he was talking about how the girls eat this, and some girls that was pregnant was eating this. That's so interesting. You know what's interesting though too, because my grandmother, she's from the South, like, you know, she's like 90 something, like 97, and she grew up in South Carolina, and she used to eat clay like they eat clay growing up, like red clay. So it's really interesting, you know.
Don't leave me high and dry.